this new day, for the breath you give to me, for the light that guides my pathway, for your peace surrounding me. Thank you, Lord, for every step, even when I cannot see. Your hands are holding my life. In your love I choose to believe. In the silence I lift my voice. My soul finds rest in you. You are strength when I am weak. You are light that leads me through. When the night brings fear and weariness, when my heart feels tired and small, your presence gently surrounds me, teaching me to trust you all. My soul finds rest in you. You are strength when I am weak. You are light that leads me through. Here I am, just as I am. In your hands I place today my heart. In the silence I lift my voice. My soul